What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back, and I hope you guys are ready for the takeover of Kaspa, guys. Kaspa just continues to crush it. In this video, we got some exciting news, so make sure you guys watch until the end. Caspians, to support the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this with the rest of the Kaspa community. Let's get this video to 10,000 views, man. Let's go crazy. Support other content creators of Kaspa as well. Let's just hop right into it. Kaspa right now sitting at 4 cent, just under that 5 cent mark, having a bit of a retrace down, as you guys can see, having a bit of a pullback after we made a move to that 4.8 cent mark, just about to touch that 5 cent. Now we're having a bit of a pullback. Again, like I said in my previous videos, I don't think the pullbacks will be as deep as everyone expects. Kaspa right now sitting at $893 million in market cap, $37 million in 24-hour trade volume, and that's the type of volume I think is going to turn heads for more exchanges. And speaking of exchanges, Kaspa right now just got listed on Bybit, one of the top exchanges in the space. You guys see top content creators like Carl the Moon always mentioning Bybit in his videos, and how his, he has a partnership or endorsement kind of cooperation with Bybit, right? So yeah, one of those big exchanges that a lot of people use because of influencers like Carl the Moon. And look at this, man, new Cash USDT contract. Bybit is pleased to announce that the continued expansion of our product offerings, Cash USD contract, is now live with up to 25x leverage. So 25x leverage on the Kaspa USDT pair, and obviously it's going to be spot as well, but you could actually leverage trade Kaspa on Bybit. This is very great news, guys. You love to see that. The constant developments for Kaspa are ongoing, and this is very nice stuff to see, man. Plus, Cash USDT is available on Bybit trading bots, so you could also set up trading bots on the exchange for the Bybit listing. They also have like the link to the Kaspa chart right here, which is pretty great to see. Right, that is super bullish stuff. This is amazing. You love to see it, man. Another exchange that has listed Kaspa, and it's brand new. We already know, man, a lot of people use Bybit. Bybit is one of the bigger exchanges. Like I said, Carl the Moon, for example, always mentions Bybit and his Bybit partnership link or endorsement link in every video he makes, right? So this is great for Kaspa. That's gonna bring more eyes to Kaspa. People, let's take a look at for example, Carl the Moon's channel, right? 584k subscribers, guys. 584k subscribers. So you could basically say all of his audience, majority of his audience that tunes in every time they go to Bybit through his link, or people that use Bybit in general, that's going to be a huge amount of new users to Kaspa because it's a brand new project on the exchange. Let me see Bybit users, see how much of that, see if they have like an amount for that. Currently, this was in 2018, right? Established in 2018, but currently serves more than 10 million users in institutions, offering access to over 100 assets. So more than 10 million users that potentially now have access to Kaspa, guys. That is absolutely great stuff to see, and that is super bullish news, man. I'm not sure if that was the exchange listing where the $30,000 crowdfund was intended for, but if it is, that's pretty good in my opinion, because Bybit is one of those top exchanges, right? From EAL, Kaspa's mission is to be electronic peer-to-peer cash that Satoshi envisioned and be used in everyday transactions. Kaspa makes this possible by having instant confirmations while remaining secure and decentralized. Each post in the below thread is another thread. Enjoy. So right here, EAL put together a thread, TLDR, proof of work 50% BFT Bitcoin, stateless money, fear launched, no ICO, no pre-allocations, value proposition, instant proof of publication, near instant transaction settlement, 1 BPS solves trilemma community project, right? And that is pretty much what Kaspa was founded on, and that's why it's so successful right now. The hash rate of Kaspa just recently hit a new all-time high as well, so that is awesome, man. And he has a comparison table from another Caspian, Bidachon, showing the comparison to, you know, how other protocols solve the blockchain trilemma, or how close they are to solving it. And as you guys can see, with Cas compared to Container, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, it's very fast with its block time, right? It is proof of work, it is instant, it has the best security, it is stateless, it does solve the trilemma, it is a fear launch, no pre-mine and ICOs, right? And then EAL goes into more of a thread of how the BPS breakdowns happen, the block DAG paradigm, currency, continue to currency in the block DAG, continue asynchronous consensus and DAG, continued proof of publication. Just a huge thread, man. Wow, just a huge thread of all this different information and Kaspa's technology, which is great. Let's take a look at this. What's a block DAG? Be more secure than Bitcoin, faster, and achieve higher decentralization. And we have images right here showcasing the block DAG technology. Always great to see, man. Cas is a monster, very unique project, and because of its technology, I think it will do very great in the future, like it has been doing, man. Ghost, Dag924, Cas is following BTC infrastructure growth. Just so happens one day Kaspa will have the ability to be the first crypto to be mined with O proof of work rigs in the future. OPAL. This will have all proof of stake cryptocurrency shaken, as it will have lost their ESG green narrative. Interesting. So we know in Bitcoin there's some FUD surrounding, or some negativity surrounding how Bitcoin is not a green protocol because the mining really is bad for the environment. But I'm guessing OPAL rigs are more environment friendly, like green friendly, right? ESG friendly. So Kaspa can be mined with OPAL rigs. So somebody here, Web3, what is OPAL? Photonic lasers. Photonic based computations use laser light over defined pathways. It uses less energy than electronic circuitry, plus has no heat waste. Nice. Cheap computation would make operational expenditures low but capital expenditures high, flipping the current market on its head. The proposal would require at the very least a soft fork of the Bitcoin network. Interesting. How OPAL would maintain the same nominal cost as associated with mining a Bitcoin block. Very, very interesting stuff, guys. And you can see this is the infrastructure growth that happened for Bitcoin mining difficulty, and Cas is from Dag924. Cas is following this same chart with the different ASICs and their NM chips. Very, very interesting. From Miralib Belmar, another round number on the main Kaspa currency account. Nice, raising awareness. So right now the main Twitter account for Kaspa now sitting at 70,000 followers. That is absolutely great. More awareness is happening for Cas. It is growing by the day. Captain Stats, Charles Hoskinson article before ADA existed in 2016, saying Cas founders ghost inclusive protocols as a potential option for scaling. Kaspa is the same research line, same OG academics, several iterations along. So right here we have Charles Hoskinson, founder of ADA. Again, we go through it. Captain Sats keeps providing that information and showing you guys like a lot of these top protocols and their founders have included Jonathan, Ghost developed by Zohar, Dr. Aviv Zohar, and Sam Polinsky into their different proposals when they were developing their protocols, right? Kaspa is in the same research line, same OG academics, several iterations along. Reducing the block interval is really a good idea. Goes the research behind DAGs are solid people. Very, very great stuff, amazing stuff. From Benos, the DAG Knight with CAS, a proof of work consensus algorithm which has no speed limitations beyond hardware, suitable for smart contracts, and scales itself as network latency is improved. Such a project only comes around every 5 to 10 years. Wow. 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 Okay. I'm at a loss for words because every 5 to 10, such a project only comes around every 5 to 10 years, man. Jeez, guys. You gotta have some exposure to CAS. I know a lot of people have diversified their altcoin portfolio, but I think some exposure to CAS is necessary. Like, you have to, man. From Shy, this is a community developer of CAS. November 1st, DAG Knight protocol will finally be revealed. SEC S22 Berkeley. I think the only appropriate time to explain what makes DAG Knight so exciting. And then he goes into a full breakdown. This was all the way back in October 26, 2022, guys. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Ross the Legend, here we go. From announcing the Bybit listing. And next we could potentially see Kraken, OKX, Binance, Coinbase. We are so early, $5 is programmed. Documenting Kaspa. Kaspa is now listed on Bybit. Still no confirmation if it's the 30K for marketing that was raised, if it's the tier 1 and top 5, so it might be it. Still, there's a lot of adoption. We had 2 smaller exchange listing. Hash rate at a all-time high is 4.0 PHS, right? The hash rate is also at a all-time high for Kaspa. Skander, great to see CAS is now making a regular appearance on BitBoy Crypto. CAS is indeed the best investment, not just in 2023, but for the next 5 to 10 years. Let's see, man. Take a look. BitBoy Crypto. Recent live stream. Oh, that was 6 hours ago. That was 6 hours ago, man. Awesome stuff, man. That is super great for CAS and the Caspians out there. You love to see it. Caspians, that is awesome. Lido King CAS $10. If we reach the first billion and break 0.5, we need only 280 other billions to reach that goal. To the moon. Lord of Crypto, people are not aware of the potential of this project. Let's do a simple calculation. If Kaspa only reaches dogecoin's all-time high during the bull cycle, it makes Kaspa $4.44, and Kaspa is a much more valuable project, so where it will come in the future, right? Can't rule out anything in crypto, guys. That $1 to $5 target seems to be the target for a majority of people. That is the conservative target, $1 to $5 for Kaspa. I wouldn't rule it out. TQQ, go Kaspa, keep going. New list, Honest Crypto, new listing in a few hours. MXV, I don't know, guys. I think CAS can just reach $1 to $5. Based on everything that is going on, it will end up higher than $10, right? You know, I got called out on Twitter. I saw a tweet. I got called out for covering something in the covering a tweet I saw from the community about CAS going beyond a lot of people's targets. You really never know what could happen long term, guys. I think most people are looking for that $1 to $5 Kaspa, which I would say is very achievable, right? I really do think so, going into the top of the bull market. We know how crazy those bull markets are, how much projects just absolutely, go insane in bull runs, and Kaspa is one of those projects that has shown a lot of strength against the rest of the market, and I really do think it's gonna continue to do so. It has been doing so since last year in the worst market conditions ever, and it has been doing so since the start of this year. And if it's doing this well right now in these market conditions, imagine what will happen going into the bull cycle, guys. excuse me, what I can't even begin to fathom what would happen going into the next bull cycle. So that $1 to $5 target, I wouldn't rule it out at all for cash. And remember, recently just got that Bybit listing. This is absolutely incredible for cash. You really love to see that, guys. That's freaking amazing. And more exchange listings will come for cash, are incoming, right? With this trade volume, I wouldn't rule it out. Caspians, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cash and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, get it to 10,000 views. I wish you guys nothing but the best. We're gonna make it together. You're gonna be able to retire and attain financial freedom in the future. Just keep going, never give up. We're gonna take over, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.